Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Nexus Excite silicone beads in the size medium. So let's get started. So this is the Nexus Excite silicone beads. Now this is also available in a small size and a large size. Now this black anal bead chain is perfect for anal toy lovers. The beads are completely made of a silky, soft, smooth, body-safe silicone material for a comfortable feeling. It also has a ring at the end here, so insertion and removal is safely done. It's also very flexible and it's very comfortable and of course stimulating. The balls are all the same size, so gently insert them one by one and you can pull them out to enjoy a thrilling popping sensation during use. When using the Excite beads, we would recommend to use either a water-based lubricant or alternatively you can also use an anal-based lubricant. We recommend cleaning after every use with toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Nexus Excite silicone beads in the size medium. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.